The previous video with showing you how to put in how to load papers. That's a simple task to do on a 2011 machine. And also I said most of the Ricohs I've known or I've seen before, you use the same thing. You get me? So that video works on all models. I would say most of the models. So, but then we're going to show you now how to load toner. You get me? Toner cartridges. This is the MPC 2011. That means C stands for color. So if you find the MP, you're gonna say it will be just a normal black and white machine. I always advise people that you should buy a black and white machine than color. Why? Color machines, they eat a lot of money if it comes to services. Services like maybe the drum finish. If the drum finish, you buy 4. When the toner finish, you buy 4. Many things come for 4. You understand? So that's something very crazy and very expensive. So I would say you can get yourself a black and white machine. Then color, you can buy a simple small color machine just to do when you need color. Not always we need color, but always we need black and white, right? Okay. If you wanna do the toners, you come to the side, you open this guy. You see this gonna fall off here. So that's what showing now. So here, these are the colors. As you say, this is yellow, magenta, cyan, black. So what you do, you only pull out this guy. You can pull out like that. Then if you have a new one, then you put it in like that. When you have a second, then you take out the second one. If you have a new one, then you do what? You put in like that. Same thing. If I have another one, then let me take out this completely. You can see magenta. Sometimes they spill over. So you can put this spill over. That's why I didn't want to take them out. Okay. You have yellow here. You can do that. You put in. So okay, when you're done, you're just gonna have to close. When you close, the machine is going to read those toners. Remember, each toner has a chip on it. You get me? Yeah, it has a chip on it, so that's the chip. It reads that chip and tells you how much toner is remaining. Oh, this is the genuine toner or not. But we use genuine toners here because we you know, that's the thing. So well, that's it, guys. That's the way you load toners on your MPC 2011, right? It's a very good machine, color machine. It gives you 20 pages per minute, but it's a color. So you could find it. This means 20 means the page it's going to view this the model number. You get me? So you can find 30, 54, 40, 54, whatever, all that. The higher the number here, the higher the page is gonna get per minute, right? That's also something easy to know, good to know on a Ricoh machine. So when you want to go buy a Ricoh machine, if you say 54 something, then you know that that machine gives you 50 pages per minute. But this one gives you 20. It's not that very slow. But anyway, you could find something better on a Ricoh machine. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. I'll decide what I'm going to work on, maybe to show you how to change the drums, whatever gonna be necessary for us to do. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.